Whenever I graduated high school, I went through retail businesses and then into fast food. It was something just to get me started into the work field, and then I wanted to go up into something higher. My mom worked here for 10 years. She introduced me to the Finalcontrol business. It's basically manufacturing. So my manager sent me to the SC Works program. The program pays the employer to help with the on-the-job training. Here at Finalcontrol, we're doing quality control inspecting. I enjoy working here. The number one thing with me, I like to go fast-paced, consistently doing something. I enjoy it also because there's different parts every day. It's not always the same thing every single day. The work environment is really great. The people that I work with are fantastic. SC Works is a really good program to go through. On-the-job training, it gives you hands-on experience. It's basically really key importance to everything, especially with the manufacturing companies.